Welcome to a new Consumer Goods review. Today we have G7 instant coffee all the way from Vietnam. Okay, let's see what this product is all about. Now this is probably the first time we have a Vietnamese product on this channel, so I'm quite excited. Now first of all, it's made by this company called Trung Nguyên. I don't know what's up with Nguyen, but I know some Vietnamese people here and they all have name Nguyen. Is this like the most common name in Vietnam? I don't know. Vietnamese people, leave a comment below. And let's see, sold around the world. This is international product. 15 pieces, 100% pure soluble coffee. What is soluble coffee? I don't know. And this one, you only put 60 mils of hot water and then you stir it. Empty G7 coffee content. I like how they put like, you have to empty the content. Good English. Yes, so here's some information. Just coffee, nothing else. Oh, let's open the box. Let's open the box. ASMR. Ooh. How will the packaging look like? Let's see. Oh. What? The shape caught me off guard. I thought they will be like the long pipe ones, like Nescafes, but this is like key packaging. Wow. Really small, like pack. And there's a 15 of them. Wow. Let's try to pour in and see how it looks inside. How does it open? Do you need the scissors or not? No, you don't need it. That is good. Bonus points for not needing scissors. Ooh, look at this. Oh. The grind is really smooth. Can you see that? It's really finely powdered. Like Nescafe comes in big blocks, but this one comes in small blocks. Now I'm gonna make 2 cups because I wanna try this black and also with milk. You know, this packaging is not so convenient as the Nescafe long ones because it made some mess on my table because you have to do like this. You have to shake them to the bottom and then open it, but still some of the powder leaves here and it's gonna make mess here. But yeah, we got the waters here and now comes the hard part. How much is 60 mils of water? Oh, I think it's like about there. So little. Yep. And now we have to stir it. I should have got smaller cups. Like, is this like espresso? This is some espresso size coffee. Like 60 mils. It's not much. I think this is about 60 mils. But yeah. For second one, I'm gonna add some milk. Here we go. Ooh, the color, it looks really weird. Usually when I make milk coffee, it's much lighter color, but this is like super brownish. I don't know if I made mistake measuring, but we're gonna find out soon. Let's go ahead and taste it up. It's time for the truth. Let's see if G7 instant coffee from Vietnam tastes any good. Now we have 2 cups here, 1 with milk and 1 black. So let's start out with the milk coffee one. The color is weird, but that might be because I put not enough water, but let's see. Interesting smell. Let's taste it. Despite the color, this is actually really good instant coffee. Wow, I was not expecting to get this kind of coffee experience from a Vietnamese instant coffee. I might say that it's even better than the Nescafe sometimes. What's up here? Ooh, really great coffee experience. Too bad there was only 60 mils of it, so anyway, let's try without the milk. Now it smells like classic American coffee. It's not too bitter. Sometimes the Americano black coffee too bitter, but this I could drink this. Kind of reminds me when I was in South Korea and there was this brand called Mega Coffee and they only sold like Americanos for 1000 won, which is like less than €1. So I always got the Americano to get me caffeine. And this tastes about the same as the Americano over there. Really great. You know what? This is so good. I need another shot. But this time, let's put like 2 of these here. So we get like instant caffeine overdose. Even after you put 2, there's so little power here, look. So now we have to put 120 mils of hot water, which is about there. This is 120 mils. I know the measurements in my head. Stir it up. Then we put some milk. Finnish high quality milk. Yeah, there's something about the color that is weird. I don't know why it's colored like this. It doesn't look very appetizing. I mean, what is the word? I don't know the English anyway. Just forget that last part. Let's taste this up. This is great. Great coffee experience from Vietnam. You know what? I have this coffee over here. This Nescafe one, look. I have to tell that this G7 coffee somehow tastes better than the Nescafe Gold. I don't know how it's possible, but the color is really weird and the texture of the coffee was also weird, but still they beat this Nescafe one. I don't know. Look at the packaging also, like they focus so much on packaging, make everything gold, super cool. Then you have this G7, so blunt. The packaging design is like so novice level, but still it doesn't matter what the packaging look like. It's like the YouTube thumbnails. Some people make clickbaits and some people make just default thumbnails. And sometimes the default thumbnail one beats the clickbait video. That's how it goes on this earth. Yep, this is G7. Great coffee. Thank you Vietnamese people for producing this amazing product, and thank you Trung Nguyên company. I have to research more about this company. They seem to be pretty okay. Now the only minus points I have to give is the packaging size and shape. Like, look at this. Why do they make it so small? They should have made it bigger. But I guess Vietnamese people, they like to have only small dose of coffee. So that's why they make it so small. Yep. I think I would give this product a solid 8.5 out of 10. There's some room for improvement, especially the packaging and the shape and size. When I got my second cup of coffee, it didn't taste so great. There's still some classic instant coffee flavor that like differentiates them from the real coffee, but you can't avoid that. I guess, yeah, 8.5 out of 10. Great coffee from Vietnam, and if you want to buy this coffee, I try to find link for you, maybe on Amazon or something. So check the link below if there's any link. If there's not link, then I didn't find it on Amazon or something. But go ahead and purchase it and tell me a comment if you like it or not. But yeah, as always, thanks for watching this Consumer Goods review. I'm Myro. Follow my social links below, and I will see you guys in the next epic Consumer Goods expert review. Thank you for watching.